Alright, let's get up. Excuse me, let's get up out of here. Oh, perfect.
Now turn right.
Perfect. Oh, that is a tight turn though. Oh, I'm gonna need you to back up a little bit. Yeah, back up. Come on, man. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna hit the curb.
After 1.5 miles, turn right and then enter the highway.
Throw him a little peace sign, even though, you know, that's common sense like that. You know, you want to drive a big truck, you know, have some damn common sense. You see, I got to make this impossible right turn and you want to sit there looking dumb. You know, it doesn't make sense to me. You know, it's probably only a chauffeur endorsement holder anyway, you know, or whatever it is. But man, that's kind of irks me. I feel like more people out here in this civilian world need to have some freaking common sense. Like, maybe I'm just griping, but hey, like, to me that seems more of a no-brainer, you know. But anyway, let's get up out of here, and then yeah, I turn it back on if I can get my words together. I turn it back on if anything interesting happens. Ooh, Burger King. Man, when I tell you people out here drive like maniacs, Jesus Christ. All right, like this guy, I don't know, got their signal. I don't know if they're trying to get over or what, but oh well. I always tell people, hey, if you see temp tags, watch out, because they don't know how to damn drive the car. 9 times out of 10, they don't know how to drive the car. So, you know, they either gonna speed, stop hard, not paying attention. They're in there, excuse me, touching all their buttons, gadgets, and all that. But, you know, it's like I wanted to put the camera out, show all these non-driving people, but shoot, scared to touch my hat, or scared to touch my hat attached to the camera, or camera attached to that. Attached to the hat. Jesus Christ. That's what happens when I don't have coffee. I had an energy drink this morning instead of coffee, so my mind still ain't all the way there, but it ain't good enough to drive. I'm taking the no toll routes to get up there to Virginia, so definitely taking me through a whole bunch of little small towns and whatnot. I feel like most truck drivers don't like doing this, but when you're in a small town, I try my best to avoid being in the right lane. That's what when I'm saying there's some crazy drivers. I had so many drivers so far just slam on their brakes and put on the right signal just to turn right in front of me. Like, luckily I'm empty, and you know, I'm paying attention, but still, you know, it's kind of dumb. If you know you got a potential, you know, potentially 80,000 pound vehicle right behind you, why in the hell are you gonna just like slam on your brakes? I really feel like in driving school they should have a portion when the students are, you know, before you get your license, you know, they have a portion where you have to, you know, it could be a simulator, you know, but you sit behind the wheel of a semi, and then in that portion they should have snow, rain, wind. They should have everything, and you know, to include people cutting you off and all that kind of stuff, just so more drivers are aware how hard it is to stop this, you know, this piece of equipment. You know, like I had a guy in Wisconsin. It was snow, sleet-ish on the ground, still icy, and I had about 38,000 in the box, or you know, I was hauling about 38,000, and this, I never forget it. It was a great Jetta. I think I said it on one of my videos, but actually it was my first video, and I didn't record that part. But yeah, this guy jumped right in front of me on the highway. And I had to be at least a couple inches from hitting this guy, you know. But that's dumb, you know. Like, what makes you think that's a good idea, you know? But who knows what people think, or what, you know, what's going on in people's mind. And I even had to stop. I had to stop earlier. This truck, this flatbed, trying to turn into sheets, and same thing that just happened with me with that whatever garbage truck. Little vehicle thing happened to him. He even swung all the way out to the next lane to try to make that right turn, and this stupid guy in this damn four-wheeler in this black SUV sat there looking at him like there's no possible way. And then my guy was all over the curve, like, still, that's how tight that turn was, and there was no way he would have made that turn of course, if that guy didn't finally move. But since that guy wanted to be an idiot, held up traffic, we missed the, you know, everybody on our side missed the green light because we had to wait for the semi truck to make it through there. And you know, it's common sense. Something that I feel like a lot of people don't have. A lot of people out here don't have a lick of common sense whatsoever. Yeah, I guess that's my rant number 2 for this video. All right, made it to Virginia. I dropped this empty pickup or loaded. Of course, she gave me the tightest freaking, I'm not gonna, it's not that tight. But whoever had this JB Hunt next to it, I gotta park it right here. Whoever had this JB Hunt right here, parked all over the line. Look at that. I'll try to make it work. Hopefully I don't jack it up with the camera on. Crank it all the way this way. Oh, I could just straighten it. That's okay. This truck needs a new power steering pump. Kind of makes it hard to back up when your steering wheel feels like it's locking up on you. A little far out. Yeah, scoot over a bit. The issue with doing stuff like this, once I move forward, I end up losing my place. I think I see it. That's true. I have to wiggle it in. Watch these trailer dollies right here. Nope. Nope, I don't like that. pieces. Get out and look. I feel like I got it. As long as I don't jack up the angle too much. Yeah, I should have it. See, I don't want to hit the other trailer. I feel like I'm too far or too close to it right now. The other guy parked it right on the or over the line. Help if I can fully crank this wheel. A little bit closer to this trailer on my left. See, I really wanted to hug this line on the left. I know this other trailer is extremely close. Yeah, see, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's definitely over the line. Well, I have room. It's okay. I'm second guessing myself. Like I said, hey, the way I look at it, as long as it gets in there. See, this is mess off something. That's just gonna take forever. Man, that damn trailer legs. Whew, that's a workout trying to crank them damn things when we only got the smallest gear. See, this kind of stuff I like seeing. This is why I like being on the road. Look at that. Look at that. People out here just living their best life.